The electric pressure washer 4800 psi max offers an impressive cleaning power of up to 4,800 pounds per square inch, effectively removing even the most stubborn stains. Equipped with 4 quick connect spray tips and a 16.9-ounce foam tank, this pressure washer provides versatile cleaning options and rich bubbles for better cleanliness. With a 25-foot pressure hose and a 16.4-foot power cord, you can easily reach and clean various areas without dragging the machine around. The Total Stop System feature ensures that the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, adding to the device's safety and longevity. This electric pressure washer is designed to offer an exceptional user experience, backed by professional customer service that is ready to assist you with any issues. Manufactured by Pecticho, this durable and efficient pressure washer is ideal for cleaning your garden, patio, car, and more.